Hello, good morning everybody. The Department of Tourism of our college, CPA College of Global Studies, is celebrating the World Tourism Day in its proper manner because it is for the last 40 years the UN United Nations Organization had started this celebrating the World Tourism Day. And this year much importance is given to the rural tourism, that is tourism connected with rural areas. When we go to any world or any country, we are acquainted with the urban developments and what we kind of the artificial things which is contributed by our state and or other bodies or other companies. But there is something below that in every country there are the rural people that had much to contribute for the development of tourism. That when we go to a village or a hamlet where you can see that the people are depending on their own handicrafts and their own cultural activities. It is connected with their own nature of life, where they are living and with their own occupations. So this is for them, it is not a kind of enjoyment, but it is for them, it is a solace. Because whenever they work hard, they find some rest or some leisure in this kind of activities. But we have to develop it and we have to make it profitable. That is how that everywhere in every country, particularly in America and other countries, the people they depend, the tourism department, they depend upon the development of the tourism of the rural people. And by encouraging or motivating their dances, their music, and also their creations and their artifacts. So all this we have to promote and to expose to the world so that the people be attracted to these places to find out how they are living and what are their cultural items and what are their productions. So this may become a lucrative job and also an income to the country. So every nation now, and even after COVID, we have to think, even our country has also had to think how we develop the tourism of the rural people or of the peasants or the Adivasis. So here also we try to find out in what way we can bring out the skills of the common people and to develop it so as to make enjoyment to the tourists. So my humble appeal is that in your project you spot the important sites or the important products or other cultural activities and develop it so that we can submit the proposals to the government and get it accepted. So with these words, let me conclude, and I declare that this function is being inaugurated. Thank you very much.